Elon Musk has often said that physics is about discovering things that are counterintuitive, like quantum mechanics, which seems completely out of the ordinary. And that's exactly what quantum computing does. It solves problems that traditional machines would need millions of years to crack in just a fraction of the time. It might sound like something from a science fiction movie, but it's real, and Musk is diving into this groundbreaking field to push the future forward faster than anyone expected. With quantum computers, encryption can be broken in seconds, diseases could finally be tackled, and artificial intelligence might take a massive leap into new territory. Unlike traditional computers, which process information one bit at a time, quantum computers use qubits that can represent not just a 0 or a 1, but both at the same time. This concept, called superposition, allows quantum computers to tackle multiple possibilities at once, making them vastly more powerful. But it gets even stranger. Qubits can also be entangled, meaning the state of one qubit can instantly affect another, no matter how far apart they are. Imagine rolling two dice, one in New York and the other in Tokyo. If one shows a 6, the other does the same, instantly. This mind-bending reality could revolutionize technology as we know it. Regular computers process data one step at a time, which limits their speed. Even the fastest supercomputers struggle with complex problems that could take years, if not millennia, to solve. Quantum computers, on the other hand, can explore countless solutions simultaneously, making them extremely fast and efficient. Problems that would take traditional computers ages could be solved in mere seconds. So, why is Musk getting involved in this quantum revolution? Well, he's always been ahead of the curve. Think about Tesla. He didn't just create electric cars, he made them cool, fast, and desirable. With SpaceX, he turned rockets into reusable machines, drastically reducing the cost of space travel. Now, he's bringing the same innovative mindset to quantum computing, a field that could redefine how we interact with technology on every level. With quantum computing, we could see breakthroughs in fields like medicine, artificial intelligence, and global security. Musk isn't just playing around. He's developing technology that could solve real-world problems like curing diseases or creating climate models that can predict and prevent disasters. But this technology isn't just about changing the world in big, dramatic ways. It will also have more immediate impacts. For example, consider cybersecurity. Quantum computers could crack current encryption methods in no time, posing a huge risk to everything from bank accounts to private emails. Musk is already thinking ahead and advocating for quantum-resistant encryption to stay one step ahead of the curve. What makes Musk's quantum computing venture even more exciting is how it ties into his other projects, like Tesla and SpaceX. Imagine a quantum computer helping Tesla's AI drive cars smarter and safer, or helping SpaceX plan Mars missions with unprecedented precision. Quantum computers could also be used to simulate complex space environments, making missions to other planets more efficient and reliable. Musk's quantum computer isn't just another isolated innovation, it's part of a bigger vision he's been building for years. That said, developing a functional quantum computer isn't easy. These machines are delicate and require extremely cold temperatures, colder than outer space to function. On top of that, qubits are unstable and can lose their quantum state in less than a second, which makes extracting meaningful data a race against time. But Musk isn't one to back down from a challenge. In fact, these hurdles might only motivate him more. Beyond solving current problems, Musk's quantum computer could also be used to explore some of the biggest questions we've ever asked, like the origins of the universe or the fundamental nature of reality itself. For Musk, quantum computing feels like the next logical step in his journey. He's already reshaped industries like energy, transportation, and space exploration. Now, he's setting his sights on a technology that could be just as transformative. And if anyone can take a complex, futuristic concept and turn it into something that impacts the world, it's Elon Musk. His entry into quantum computing is about more than just creating new tech. It's about reshaping the very fabric of how we interact with the world around us. If anyone can take quantum computing from a far-off idea to a game-changing reality, it's Musk. Before you start deleting all your accounts and going off the grid, there's some good news. Elon Musk is well aware of the potential threats posed by quantum computing. In fact, he's been one of the loudest voices warning about the need for encryption that can withstand the power of quantum systems. And it's not just talk. His team is already working on solutions to stay ahead of hackers. That's the thing about Musk. When he spots a problem, he doesn't just talk about it, he works to fix it. With his quantum computer, he's not just changing the way we compute, he's also making sure we're ready for the security challenges that come with it. But security is just the beginning. What really blows my mind is how quantum computing could supercharge artificial intelligence, AI. AI is already transforming the world. Think self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and algorithms that predict what you'll want to watch next. But even the most advanced AI systems we have today are limited by the processing power of classical computers. Quantum computing completely changes the game. With quantum systems, AI could process data, learn, and adapt at speeds we can barely comprehend. Imagine a Tesla that not only navigates traffic, but predicts weather changes, anticipates accidents, and optimizes routes in real time, all thanks to quantum-enhanced AI. And it's not just cars. Think about medicine. One of the biggest challenges in drug discovery is simulating molecules and their interactions, which is extremely complex. It can take years to develop and test a single new drug. But quantum computers could model these interactions in a fraction of the time, potentially leading to treatments for diseases we currently consider incurable: cancer, Alzheimer's, and even rare genetic disorders. It's almost like giving humanity a cheat code for medical research. Speaking of simulations, quantum computing could also revolutionize climate science. We need better tools to understand and combat climate change, and quantum computers could create hyper-accurate climate models, helping us predict natural disasters, optimize renewable energy grids, and engineer solutions to reduce carbon emissions. This could be a game changer, not just for the planet, but for future generations. Finance is another area where Musk's quantum computer could make a huge impact. Stock markets and global economies are incredibly complex, with countless variables that classical computers can't analyze all at once. Quantum computing could change that by processing vast amounts of data simultaneously, identifying patterns, and providing insights that were previously impossible to uncover. Whether it's optimizing investment strategies or detecting fraud in real time, the possibilities are staggering. And we haven't even touched on SpaceX yet. Musk is not just interested in sending rockets into space. He's working on making humanity a multi-planetary species. Quantum computing could be key to making this vision a reality. Planning a mission to Mars, for example, involves so many variables: fuel consumption, orbital mechanics, environmental conditions on Mars, and more. A quantum computer could simulate all these factors with unprecedented accuracy, ensuring missions are not only successful, but efficient. It's almost poetic, using cutting-edge technology to explore the final frontier. But here's the thing: quantum computing isn't just about world-changing applications. It could also impact our everyday lives in ways we might not even notice at first. Think about personalized AI assistants that understand you better than your best friend, smart devices that seamlessly adapt to your habits, or search engines that provide answers tailored exactly to your needs. These subtle changes could make everything smoother and more intuitive. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and quantum computing does have its risks. One of the biggest challenges is its inherent instability. The ability of qubits to exist in multiple states at once is what makes them so powerful, but it also makes them unpredictable. A slight disturbance can cause a qubit to lose its superposition, leading to errors that could have massive consequences. Plus, there's the ethical side of things. Who controls this technology? What happens if it falls into the wrong hands? These are questions we need to ask now, not after it's too late. Musk has always been vocal about the ethical implications of technology, particularly with AI, so it wouldn't be surprising if he pushes for regulations and safeguards in quantum computing as well. So, where does this leave us? In many ways, Musk's quantum computer feels like a double-edged sword. On one side, it's a tool of unimaginable potential that could solve problems humanity has struggled with for centuries. On the other side, it's a technology that needs careful handling to avoid misuse. But one thing Musk has proven time and time again is that he doesn't shy away from challenges. He tackles them head-on, often with a level of ambition and determination that's inspiring. And as we've seen with his past ventures, he's not just thinking about today, he's laying the foundation for a future where quantum computing is as common as smartphones or the internet. And that's that for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Your suggestions for future videos are always welcome in the comments below.